20. So, naggagawa ko ng mga gamit ko. Nagsasaksak ang ating ko. Kaya yan. Marunong siya magsaksak. She's 2 years old. Malaki na siya. That's a circle one. That's not allowed. That's only square. Not that one. You're gonna saksak that. That's not allowed.
What now? See this?
I think mommy's not yet here.
You.
So, isa lang yung nagugunting ko. Next, talaga ito. Magkaganda to kasi. Wala, nagugunting. So, Tagalog talaga si lolo ko.
Ew.
What? What is
It's funny.
That's funny. So, parang size ng bar ko to.
It's funny.
So, guguntingin natin. Lagay ko naman. Uy! Not that one. You did not color on there. I think so. Not today. But, may something special tayo talaga, guys. Size na ng head ng crocodile.
Boo. Look at me. Look at me with this thing.
Dami ko nang tinidikit.
Oh. Okay. Let's put ever that.
Ang galing ko gumunting, guys.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, just something. Dun dun. Oh, this da da da. This is da dun dun. Oh, this da dun da dun. Da dun 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 dun.
Okay, ang late niya, guys. Kasi battle to, guys. Isang click na matatapos na agad. Not the glue ones. Okay.